SLDP stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end, find out. As I'm just observing solid power, it's good $3.73 level. Honestly, this is like a bullish thing for me. But before that, like having done 43,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's printing and what's making me money. And with that in mind, that doesn't mean that I'm immediately going to start buying here on random. No. This is the 1 hour chart, you know what I mean? So best case scenario, the price pulls down a bit and gives me a double break so then I can take it further higher. But if you guess what, if rules are not met, then why the heck would I be following and buying here? I will simply not. So all I will keep doing in the meantime is just keep waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, then just click the first link in the description and check it out. It's absolutely free. And I'm just interested to see if I have previous receipts here. Seems like I do not. No, that's fine. But other than that, keep updated in the next one.